In my last video, I talked about the Vivo T4 Ultra, which is a mid-range phone with the main USP being its performance. We talked about the leaked specifications of the phone, but now the official launch date is here. The Vivo T4 Ultra is all set to launch in the Indian market on the 11th of this month, which means in just a week. This is the successor to the Vivo T3 Ultra, which was a pretty solid phone from the brand last year, as for the price it offered impressive performance and had great cameras. Apart from the launch date, we also got the official first look at the rear design and the confirmation on a few specifications. Starting with the design, the Vivo T4 Ultra has a similar design like some recently launched Vivo smartphones like the Vivo V50 series. There is a rounded frame, so that means there is a curved display on the front and not a flat display. Now this may be a deal breaker for some because not everyone is a fan of curved screens. Speaking of the specifications, the company has officially confirmed that the Vivo T4 Ultra is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset. Now there were reports of the Dimensity 9400E previously, but the 9400E is also almost a rebranded 9300 Plus only. On the AnTuTu benchmark, the Dimensity 9300 Plus scores over 2 million points, which shows how powerful this chipset is. Another thing that is officially confirmed is the camera setup. 2 out of the 3 cameras on the back are the same as the Vivo T3 Ultra. This means there is a primary 50 megapixel Sony IMX921 sensor with OIS and an 8 megapixel ultra-wide. There is a third camera this time on the back, which has a periscope lens and a 50 megapixel sensor with OIS. The periscope camera offers a 3x optical zoom, and there is also a 10x telephoto macro feature. Vivo says that the T4 Ultra is the first phone in the sub 40,000 price segment to have a 10x telephoto macro zoom. This also means that it is now officially confirmed that the starting price will be under 40,000 rupees. And well, that is all what Vivo has confirmed so far. It is reported that the phone has a 50 megapixel sensor for selfies, a 120Hz 1.5K AMOLED display, and of course a massive battery. So what do you think of the Vivo T4 Ultra? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.